My little milk crate build. Got a little guy sitting in a milk crate. He's just a tiny little guy. And it looks like they've used those cone pieces with different colors to represent different kinds of milk. You got 2%, you got whole milk, you got skim milk. Nyan Cat, a classic internet's oddity. We got the flying Pop-Tart with the rainbow behind it. And a really nice job here capturing Nyan Cat in 3D. I wonder if his other side also has sprinkles or if it's just like the bottom of the Pop-Tart. I really hope the latter, but... That was like the second generation Crazy Frog.